Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And in today's video, I am in my backyard because I am participating in the DIY Mommies Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge for the summer of 2019. Now for me, my challenge is how to light my backyard. And I'll take you around and show you why that's a challenge and what we did to solve it. So I have a particular challenge in my yard because I have a regional park in a canyon behind my house. So there are no houses behind me with no lights. There are no streets or street lights. So my yard gets very dark in the evening. And the only light that we have is this one light on the back of our house. And ignore that cable, that's the cable TV cable, and the bunnies and other vermin that come into our yard chew on it sometimes, so we had to lift it up there. But we needed to find a way to solve that. So I will show you one thing we have in place and something we just added. So one way we solve our lighting issue is by having these solar-powered LED stake lights in the yard. But they don't throw out that much light. We have them around the perimeter of our yard in various spots, as you can see. So recently I was on a trip to Costco and noticed that they had some Edison bulbs that were LED on long strands, 40 feet long. So we decided to get those and put them on our back fence. And here's what they look like. And I know a lot of people string these above their patio area, but we don't have a really good way to do that. I'll show you. Our house is quite a ways from the back fence, so that wouldn't work. And then we have this raised patio area. So putting them along the back fence created a nice ambiance all along the backyard. And one thing I want to show you is that these strings of lights have this little tab at the top with this hole in it. And we were able to put zip ties through that hole and then just zip tie them to our back fence. So we got 2 strands. I think they were $39.99 for each strand. So for $80, we were able to light up our entire back fence. Taking you along over here. You can see this. And even a little bit down that side fence that separates us from our neighbor. So if you stay to the end, you'll see how the lights look in the evening time. I want to thank all of you for watching, and I also want to thank the DIY Mommy for hosting this challenge. It's a lot of fun to participate in. Please be sure to check out her channel if you're not familiar with her, as well as the playlist of the other participants, which I will have linked in the description box down below. And if you're new here, why don't you subscribe to my channel? You can do so by clicking the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.